Hi, Kung Kung. Hi, Mom. I'm gonna show you guys how to get to our monthly statements. So, Kung, you have this accounting folder. Now, again, we have the master TTG monthly accounting numbers, but we also have the monthly statement uploads. So I've uploaded all the statements for February. So we have the Amex, Bangkok Bank Personal, Bangkok Bank Business, 9103 K-Bank, US Bank. Now the 9703, we don't have the information. My mom sent that statement. But if we go back, go to March, we have the same thing. Amex, Bangkok Bank Personal, Bangkok Bank Business, 9103. Again, the same thing is with K-Bank 9703. PayPal and US Bank. Now, we did not have PayPal in March, so that's why there's a PayPal in March, not in February. Reconciling the banks is taking a while. January took a very long time because there were there were hundreds and hundreds of transactions. February and March are going to be quicker. This weekend I'm going to be very busy, so I won't be able to reconcile the accounts. I'm hoping on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday I'm able to reconcile all the accounts. But to go faster and pay the taxes that are past due, Kung, we can use your numbers. So I'll let you decide what you want to do, Kung. But if you want to pay on Monday or Tuesday with my mom, let me know. If you want to wait for me and pay maybe Thursday or Friday, let me know. I love you, Mom. Kung, I wish you the best. We'll talk later.